Hi everyone, want to master the WhatsApp in 2025? Whether for personal use, business, or productivity, these are the pro tips will upgrade how you chat, share, and connect. Let's get started. To stay private with advanced privacy settings, all you need to do is to go to the settings and click privacy. Hide the last seen, online status, profile photo, and read receipts. Use a finger lock for added security and enable disappearing messages for select chats. This is great for privacy and decluttering. And to use ChatGPT or AI assistant in WhatsApp, connect with third-party bots like WhatsApp via tools like AI Body and more. And you can also put and automate replies, translate messages, and brainstorm ideas with AI. And in order to translate messages in real time, you can use a Google Translate tab to translate. And to use WhatsApp channels for news and updates, tap the Updates tab and follow the official news, celebrities, brands, or influencers. Get content without decluttering your chats. Grow your business using chats, WhatsApp status, and broadcast. You can use a status for daily promos, customer stories, or product drops. Create a broadcast list to send messages to multiple clients. Looks for personal but saves time. And here you can also customize the chat themes and wallpapers. Just go to the settings and click the chats and click wallpaper and change the global or individual chat backgrounds. You can switch to dark mode or light mode if you want. These add a personality and make chatting more fun. To back up and restore the chat safely, you can go to the settings and click chats and click the chat backup and choose a Google Drive or iCloud. You can restore during your installation to never lose your data. And here, the WhatsApp can also create an AI stickers. Go to any chat and tap an emoji and click the stickers and click create. You can choose generated with AI and enter your prompt. Then long press a sticker and add it to your favorites. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.